Hi friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will guide you that how we can upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 26H2. So let's start the video, and we have the Windows 10 PC in front of you, and just we need to open the Windows 11 download, and we have to type onto the Chrome browser, and then we have to click onto the Windows 11 download, and then we have to click onto the Windows Insider program. And once you click it, then Windows Insider program will be appear in front of you. Now here is the twist: you must have at least one Microsoft email ID. If you have like hotmail.com, outlook.com, then you are good to go. Just you need to sign in. If you don't, you can just go on to the uh, hotmail.com and just create actually Hotmail email ID or Microsoft account. So I have already Hotmail account. So just we need to click onto the Hotmail account because I have already signed it to save the time. So you will have all these documentations, and just you need to scroll down it. And once you scroll down it, then you will have multiple ISOs. So you will not find here 26H2. That is really weird, but you need to identify or recognize through the build number. 26300 is basically 26H2. So after the installation, you will see 26H2 will be installed. So 26300, this is the build, and you need to click on it, and just you need to confirm it. And once you confirm it, then you need to select the language, confirm. Once you confirm, select the language, then obviously you need to click onto the 64-bit download. Downloading will be start instantly. I've already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. So let me show you the ISO inside the download folder. It is already available. You can see that 26 H2 ISO. So now we need to copy this ISO, and we need to go inside the C drive, and then right click, and then you need to create a folder, give the name like win11, and then inside this win11 you need to paste this ISO. So once you paste it, it will be there, and then you need to extract it. So once the file is copied ISO, then you need to right click on it, and you need to click extract here. So all the files will be extracted over here, and in the meantime you need to open the CMD, run as administrator, and you have to navigate the same folder, and then cd when. Now you are inside. Now you are inside the folder cd 11. So now you are inside the folder, and you can see that we have the exe file over here. So once it is extracted, we need to start the installation. So files have been extracted, and now we need to go inside the folder. We have already navigated the respective folder. Now we need to paste one command, and I will put this command in the link of the description, so no need to worry about that. And then installation will be started. So not right now, but it is recommended to keep update your system during the installation. But in order to save the time, I'm just going to click not right now because I will do that later on. So let's click onto the not right now. Next. So it will take bit of time. Now you need to agree the license terms and condition, accept, and then keep files and settings and apps all these as it is, because we are upgrading our Windows 10 to Windows 11. So next. Now it would take a bit of time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see that you are trying to install pre-release copy of Windows. So you need to obviously enable this, and once you click onto the enable, then you need to restart your PC. So system has been restarted. Now we have to reopen the command prompt, run as administrator, and then we need to navigate the same folder, and then we need to put the same command again. So you can see that continue from where I left off. So click next. Yes. And getting the things ready for you. It would take a bit of time. So finally, now we are good to go. Just we need to click onto the install button. So you can see that installation has been started in front of you. So it would take around 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your system resources and system speed. So once it is done, I will be back. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. A special request. So Windows 11 26H2 has been installed successfully. And let me show you. So all is good. Let me show you the version. And you can see that 26H2 build 26300. So everything is good to now. And that's all for today. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Forward to inform your friends. Keep subscribing my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.